It is so important for me to get to meet with all of my colleagues from around the world in real life. It's just good to connect in a very informal way, get to know each other.
This time that we get to bond, I think it's very, very key.
It really helps in terms of executing internally because you now can put faces to names and you're building those relationships.
My favorite workshop was Understanding User Research that was done by Kevin and Corinne. It was an amazing workshop, very interactive. I did not see time go by, and we actually learned a lot about users.
I hosted a workshop around women and allies at Sharethrough, had some really great feedback, and I think it's something that we will launch as an initiative, which is fantastic because we have a great culture already when it comes to diversity and inclusion.
My favorite moment so far was yesterday afternoon when we were all swimming in the ocean. We were like a group of 15 people from different teams.
Getting everybody together in the pool during the volleyball tournament, it was so good. Such good cross collaboration between all the team, all the new employees, all the new faces.
There's a lot to be excited about for 2023.
Sustainability is number one. I think that's something that separated us in the market now.
Understanding that there are actions that can be taken and running media carbon-free.
Joining AdNet Zero and having more of an impact on the overall industry and both the education of how digital advertising contributes to carbon emissions.
I'm thrilled to go in 2023 and beyond with this team and continue to grow.
One team, one dream. Is that hard to say?